Hey, it's Tim. Today we got a 2020 Ford Fusion. We'll be doing the rear brakes on it. Okay, first of all, we're going to take the bottom one out and see if this thing swings. It is a, back here, a T, what is that? T45. So, I'm using the T45 back here in the back. Let me get it situated there. Let's see if it swings. I might have to persuade it to get out a little bit. It sits in there. All right, we're gonna take this here. We're gonna take this clip off. It goes around the front in these loops. Best thing to do is just kind of do it right there in the front, just like that, and then just pull out. Set it down. Let's see if this thing swings up. I might just go ahead and undo both. All right, we know where to come out now. We'll just set it up here. That. These pads ain't bad. They were just making noise, so we're not replacing them because of the war. Replacing them because they making racket. Get the new one on here. Okay, for the piston, you're gonna need a tool like this. And you go into these grooves right in here. It's a little block cube you can get. And if you have a hard time with that, you can get you a pair of channel locks and just turn it. See, you can turn it with a pair of channel locks. Just be real careful with the rubber on there, and just turn it in where it's flush. But if you don't have one of these blocks, you can use channel locks, but just be real careful with it. Be careful with the rubber there. Seal. If it's easier for you, it might be just easier for you just to do it like with channel locks. Just kind of hold it down. Kind of hard to do holding the phone, but you just hold it down like that and turn it. All right, once you get the piston turned in, put your bolts back in it, of course. Forgot to mention, you might want to move these hoses around just a little bit, kind of take them off this clip just so you can maneuver yourself around a little bit. Start these by hand if you can. That way you don't strip them. That is the last thing you want. Is a strip caliper bolt. All right, clean it up. Don't forget to put your clip in. It will be in the, of course, in the front. Kind of do the bottom one first, kind of get in the front, and then just kind of flip the other one in the back like that. Make sure that goes in the hole. Kind of tap it. And that's it. Alright. No more noise. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thank you for watching.